Maximum destruction. What's up, everybody? It's Monsta Core, Monsta Ready Core K. We are haunting hardcore massively today. So finally we got a nice day with no rain, but it is windy. We did drop a bunch of our big animatronics and setups yesterday because the wind was blowing very hard. And the gusts, we didn't want to snap the witch because we went through that before. The mad scientist is very skinny. He doesn't really have any kind of metal stakes at the bottom, supports like those. So we dropped him down too, even though his arm already broke. And we dropped the Smolden Reaper of Souls. We dropped Baphomet. And we dropped a couple clowns too. But today's the day. Today is the day. It is H day. It is hardcore day. It's haunt day. It's time to get this haunt 100%, or at least 99%. What's in this box? Anybody know? What could be in this humongous mega box? Anybody guess out there what's in this mega box? I'll give you a hint. It's mega. Yeah, we'll get to that in a little while. Rocking out. We're gonna Bluetooth him in a little while. And Sam. So today we're doing a bunch of new setups today. Got the Boogeyman. Tabby's putting that together. We wanted this one for the beginning of the season. We finally got him. You got rocks on, right? Looking good. We're gonna set up Boogie Boogie too because he'll sit with Jack. We don't have a Sally. Sally is way overpriced. And we didn't grab a Sally back when it was available, so whatever. But I'm sure next year they're gonna put out an 11-foot or 12-foot Sally. So we'll wait for that. And we re-got the ghost. The ghost with the most, so we have to set him up or her up again. The reason being is because we just had to. And you got the goblin. Bunch of other animatronics laying down right now. And the Ice Cream Clown did not take a header. We laid him down because we didn't want him to get snapped. Headless Henry Hustle will be beheaded today. And on we go. A lot of controlled chaos right now. But we are on the path. Right, Nightcrawler? Right? You're still sleeping? Okay. Right, Punchy? I mean, Shorty? Right, that doesn't work? Honk, honk. Oh, we got this witch too, man. We got this witch on Friday. This witch is awesome. The eyes are like Megan. Really just freaky. So, you fix her? You fixed her? No, her hand does move. I fixed it. But the head doesn't move, just the hand.
No, she can't move at all.
Her hand moves.
She can't move at all.
Why? It worked yesterday.
It's fine.
I don't know.
Tonight, the dead will rise.
You working or what? Hey. Hey, Dolly. Is it on motion or time?
It's on. There's no time on.
Too loud, make it lower. Jonathan's like me when I was a kid. Wants everything loud. See, the arm works.
No, but it corrosions it. You hear it?
Hey, what is it?
Did you not hear it? The audio.
Mr. Teddy just loves headpats. Like
See what's going on. What's this girl's name again? Penny?
See?
Alright, it's a glitch. Well, anyway,
No, it's fried.
we got her for the display model discount, so she'll be static with that talks, and if she works, she works. If she doesn't, we're going to take her back and get another one. Darling Dolly. The broken dollhouse area. Alright, so like I said, it's a bit of chaotic right now, but trust me, in about 2 hours, I would say, because these kids are flying. Jonathan and Tabitha. Jonathan Core and Tabitha, the princess of Monster Core. They are flying through setting up these animatronics. Jonathan already put the lava demon together, which is in the backyard. I'll show you in a minute. Tabby put together the robot. Let's make sure she's safe on this ladder. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, so my kids are on the big time path right now to get this going. We've had, I don't know how many weekends in a row of rain, which really put everybody back that has any kind of animatronic wants out. But we didn't want to set up everybody right away just because of that. So today is the day, and I'll show you the progress in a little while. Okay, let me show you Lava Demon, the robot, and I'll end the video and post it on a little bit. See, a lot of destruction, man. A lot of too much wind. We also have the cauldrons, but her hand is broke, and I'm going to take a look at her maybe later on or tomorrow or whatever this week, but I think she's going up. There's Lava Demon. We were able to exchange him for a, good job Andre, for a broken exterminator, which we're very happy about. So he's going out today as well. There's the box, even got the box for him, not in bad shape. And you got the THD 8000 robot. Tabby couldn't help herself, she had to put it together. And we have Dega Mike that has a wire stripped, but I can reattach that and then it'll probably work. So, all right, that's about it right now. That's the deal. Like I said, today is H Day. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all media, and we'll see you a little bit. All right, have a great day, everybody. Enjoy NFL Sunday. 16 hours of football.